General. Wake up in the morning out of order. Drop me good sensibilia. Before you know me problem fix. Now to me take a big hit out of it. Well, gravity no have no space in me head. Cause when you burn the cali we be get red. Yes, me say it lighter than the air round me head. I saw me feel when the so I just the cali weed that bring me harder. The cali weed just take you. Yes, I just the cali weed that bring me harder. The cali weed just take you. Yo, me beerer than the street and me flatter than the earth. Not go make no billion century chop in a me mouth. If you're Jedi, stormtrooper or even as gold, take a hit off of me green peace out. So I just the cali weed that bring me harder. The cali weed just take you. Yes, I just the cali weed that bring me harder. The cali weed, hey! The general, the general. The general of the cali weed, hey. The general, the general, the general of the cali weed. You be say, ganja Jamaica we come from. No trouble this here Rasta man. Him lay the foundation. Ask the Naya Bingy man. Oh, we find him vibration. He ma go tell you, in a the iration. I just the cali weed, yeah. Rasta feedback, cali weed I take it. Yes, I just the cali weed I take it. So I just the cali weed I take the order. The cali weed, hey, 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 hey. Yo, the general, the general. The general of the cali weed, hey. The general, the general, the general of the cali weed, hey. The general, the general, the general of the cali weed, hey. The general, the general, the general of the cali weed, hey. Yes, I've been working. How you feeling? Hey, hey. This is a herb tune. You hear me say? Papa, uncle and son, grab your lass and come. See the bush they chop it down, no bag of pick no up down. Let the wicked them run when them see you a come. With the food pile high where you get from the ground. Easy bingy man, no bother chill and sit down. Spiritual journey make you rise up so early. Smoke from the chalice make you feel real calmly. Heal Rastafari raise the youth them healthy. Leave Babylon wrongdoings brutal army. I and I now sing them the song keep me working. Working so hard. And I've been chanting in my yard. Yes, Rastaman been working. Working so hard. And I've been planting herbs in my hey. Can't use your money for recruit me. You suit it, no suit me. Send out your soldier fi come shoot me. Just because me blaze it in a Buckingham Palace. Send out your vampire fi out me fire. So me blaze it and burn it well higher. Then you come ask me what me working for. Am I working for the house or a little car? Back when with your money, me a no devil na par. Man a Rasta man, we a real superstar. That's how we chant and plant when we working. Working so hard. And I've been chanting in my yard. Yes, Rasta man been working. working so hard. And I been planting herbs in my yard. Hey, 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 hey. Yes, I've been working so hard, and I've been chanting in my yard. Yes, Rastaman be working so hard, and I've been planting herbs in my yard. How you feeling, Montego Bay? Yeah, I know, it's small, but I know the vibes are small. So, the whole of it, I guess, I'm just assuming that most of us are Jamaicans.
No? Alright, all the Jamaicans put up Alright, everybody who is from somewhere else, put up your hand. Holy shit. Alright. Well, this song will turn into a Jamaican anyway, so.
Anyway, run it. Hey, 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 hey. In the city, it's a pity. Sometimes it's not pretty, but we'll take away your groove and you can't get it back. Don't love reggae music, then you're full of dead stag. Kingston town, man, we play that non-stop. So, in the east, in the west, north and south, each is the best. Anything you want, just go ask me, little Scott. Ask any question, answers all about how where we come from. How where we come from. Come on, how where we come from? How where we come from? Well, them a look up on my pants, up on my shoes, up on my shirt. Wonder where me come from, where me live and where me work. What kind of swag that me a fling banja earth and what kind of accent that I come from me mouth? Well, if you never know, you better stop and check me. Me come from a country that is out of many. We live very simply, it's not about the money. We have the roots and culture, reggae music if we happy. Sometimes we happy show we attitude. Burn some fire, make them know say that we rude. Me say no problem, what about that take with no food? Cause if you take with food, we are gonna break all the rules. Cause how where we come from? But do I buy? How where we come from? But do I buy? How where we come from? How where we come from? No. Well, all over the world, them want know we work. Soar to new heights like pattern band shirt. Chad in a Europe, reggae artists like dirt. Take over England every. Well, in a Panama City, say we out and plenty. In a Canada, me say we pocket not empty. In a Abu Dhabi, say we fly plane plenty. When we go Alaska, we no break we take off we shirt car. How where we come from? But if I buy, how where we come from? But if I buy, how where we come from? Hey, how where we come from? In a city, it's a pity. Sometimes it's not pretty, man. Will take away your groove and you can't get it back. Don't love reggae music, then you're full of dead stag. Kingston town, man, we play that non-stop. In the east, in the west, north and south, each in the west. Anything you want, just go ask me, little scout. Ask any question, that's all about. How where we come from? Jamaica we come from. Bye bye bye. How where we come from? Jamaica we come from. Bye bye bye. How where we come from? Jamaica we come from. Bye bye bye. How where we come from? No problem. How where we come from? Come on. How where we come from? Jamaica we come from. How where we come from? Jamaica we come from. Come on. No problem. How where we come from? Jamaica we come from. How where we come from? Jamaica we come from. Come on. How where we come from? How where we come from? One more time. How are you now? How where we come from? How where we come from? How where we come from? What is it? No problem.
Alright,
this song is about really the weed industry. So them talking about legalizing the weed and things. But some people are gonna get cut out cause big tobacco are moving, government are moving, everybody are moving. Otherwise, a $60 billion industry. I mean, enough of them people are talking about herbs. We didn't talk about herbs a year ago or two. But you know it go. Anyway, I have a song where I say, I have 4 little trees. So I go legally. Alright? So run it. I've got 4 little marijuana trees grooming in my backyard with ease. Legally, in a Rasta. Legally. Hey. Yes, I've got 4 little marijuana trees grooming in my backyard with ease. Legally. Legally. Hey. See them trying to mislead us, acting like it free up, when behind closed doors them plotting to destroy us with them restrictions and fair tax collections. Here comes the policeman, the enforcer of Babylon wrongs. Well, October know how to make marijuana rain grow so big, people say that's insane. Reach so high straight up to the sky. Still the golden goose and make Babylon cry. Legally, growing legally. Yes, we growing legally. Yes, in a Rasta harmony. Hear this, well, I've got a green thumb. Anything I plant, it just rise to the sun. Mama teach me that from I was very, very young. She raised I and I to be a shining sun. So now I've got the talent for raising trees. Tell me why you wanna put a cap on me. The earth is the green, be all you can be. Propaganda on the THC, trying to profit from the CBDs. Stop placing LAWs on me. Smoke and mirror, but you can't fool us. Cause we know but we just seen a them gold rush. Them give we the wrong information. Love of Rastafari, inspiration, teaching the youth them the right from wrong. Little you go sing out the freedom song, song, song. 4 little marijuana trees blooming in my backyard with ease. Legally, we growing legally. Yes, I've got 4 little marijuana trees blooming in my backyard with ease. Legally, in a Rasta. Legally. Don't believe in them one bag of tricks. Beware of them who come bearing gifts. Gonna sing it like it's a perfect storm. Lyrical installation keep you nice and warm. Opinion of one can make a million strong. There is no filter when I speak. Typhoon word blow your ego off the street, yo. Hey, well, some people don't like it when we type it with a billion views. YouTube hype it. You either love it or hate it, but you can't stop the Rasta from speaking. Legally, growing legally. Yes, we're growing legally. Yes, in a Rasta. Hey, hey. Yes, we're growing legally. Hey. Yes, we're growing legally. Yes, we're growing legally. Yes, we're growing legally. Yes, we're growing legally. One more tune. Hey, 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 hey. Well, words see me dropping lyrics, control your mind in it from zero back to infinite. Weed all over your head, grow your long natty dread. Babylon stop till the no matter burn up the profit, cause you know you can't stop it. Farmer man up the links, lock it. Playing yourself like a fool. Don't you know original of the green high school? Send best, I take it to them non-stop. From the depths of the earth, them trees they can't flop. Kingston, yo with St. Andrew on top. Strictly smoke signal, yo we send non-stop. Hey, well I spend my life fighting revolutions. Freedom for black and them civilization. Full suit a war with a leaf branch in a me hand. Can't take no checkers, then we bound to do the said a rap pam pam. Feel the beat of me drums. Revolutionary extra clip strap down. Babylon we stop push the poor man around. Blaze up the chalice make we. No give me no cigarette, no give me no crack. Can't mix Rastafari up in a that way. Don't give me no blame, me say take back your shape. Prescription drugs I mash up the youth brain. Run blood them up and pass through them vein. Every generation them deal with the. Hey, don't forget the original soldiers marching in your army. I said don't forget the original marching in your army. Yes, I said don't forget the marching in your army. Yes, and I said don't forget the original soldier. Because them press from the east and the west. Love how you looking at your royalness. Always looking fine, you never have to impress with reggae music in your vein. Good herb in your vein. Tonight is gonna be insane. Mama Africa is always calling your name. Hold it straight to the sky. Don't make no fool come tell you no lie. Red, green and gold, just wave it higher. Show your royalty, Africa she can't die. Hey! The you're a little woman floating out in the street. Them hail you as the empress, one of the raya. Them say you like the bunch of and that's the roots beat. Have a lot of fun, then go right home to sleep. If this rumor is true, then you may have to meet. A militant empress is the right one for me. One more thing. Hey. You ever tell them say yellow? Hear this. Don't me say the rappa-pam-pama. Rappa-pam-pama. Don't me say the rappa-pam-pama. Rappa-pam-pama. Don't me say rappa-pam-pama. Rappa-pam-pama. Yes, rappa-pam-pama. Rappa-pam-pama. Yo, bram-pam-bram-pam-pam-pam. Come on, people, hear me say. Bram-pam-bram-pam-pam-pam. See it there? Bram-pam-pam-bram-pam-pam-pam-pam-pam-pam. Come on, bram-pam-pam-bram-pam-pam-pam-pam-pam. Let's see if you can do this. Come on. You me say that rappa-pam-pam. Watch me on the drum and how. You me say that. Show me. Oh, why you give me some snares, some snare. I'm gonna take it. Well, words him is a penny control your mind in it from zero back to kill. We hail over your and roll your long nut. Balance the building tree. Bada bang. Bada bam bam, bada bam bam, bada bam bam, bada bam bam, bada bam. Bada bam bam, 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 bada